Hello world travellers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card is a respectable and economical choice for small business owners that are devoted to Southwest Airlines. The lower tier business credit card offered by the airline is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card. Because they typically offer fewer benefits that are exclusive to a certain airline, airline-specific credit cards are frequently not the first choice for travel credit cards. However, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card, which has a cheaper annual fee and enticing bonus categories that you can earn points on almost all of your expenses, may be a reasonable option for small business owners. The card's $99 annual fee can be at least partially offset by the automatic accumulation of anniversary points offered by Chase each year the card is used. It also comes with a sizable sign-up incentive that offers you a head start on earning a sought-after Southwest Companion Pass. The entry-level card in Southwest's array of business credit cards is the Southwest Premier. The Premier still offers a rewarding reward structure and benefits for devoted Southwest flyers, even though it is less impressive than the more expensive Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card. To safeguard your card and account information, Chase, the card's issuer, follows industry standards. The ability to set up fraud notifications or alerts to keep an eye on account activity is available, for instance, with cards that incorporate chip technology. Additionally, this card offers features including extended warranty protection, purchase protection, and lost luggage reimbursement. Not only that, Southwest doesn't allow allocated seats. Rather, passengers can check in 24 hours before the flight to get their boarding position. The more time you give yourself to check in, the more likely it is that you'll get the seat of your choice when you board. The early bird reward instantly checks you in 36 hours before your flight, 12 hours before travelers without the incentive. You can make use of this offer twice a year with the card. Regardless of whether a traveler has a credit card with Southwest or not, the airline offers incentives to all of its passengers. These perks include free change and cancellations, 2 free checked bags per flight, although certain tickets are non-refundable and will be repaid as flight credit, and no change or cancellation costs. Businesses don't always need to frequently interact with their credit card issuer. However, when it is required, it typically relates to a billing issue or another unpleasant situation, like fraud, making a good customer service experience even more crucial. Unfortunately, compared to most other card issuers, businesses that work with Chase, which issues the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Card, are less likely to have such a favourable experience. Logging into your airline account will allow you to send a secure email if you require customer service assistance. You can also contact Chase by phone at 1-800-242-7338 or on Twitter at any time using the handle @ChaseSupport. Good to excellent credit, which is regarded as being between 670 and 850, is required for this card. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card. Here are the pros. Number 1, a profitable one-time and yearly point offering. Number 2, celebration bonus. And thirdly, no reward caps. And here are the cons. Number 1, there is no transfer of points to other loyalty schemes. 2, offer made once is on the meager side. 3, card issuer provides poor customer service to businesses and charges an annual fee. And lastly, number 4, rewards are not very flexible. We have heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. The earning rate on the Southwest Premier Business Card is lower but still fairly competitive. Purchases made with the card will earn cardholders 3 points for every dollar spent on Southwest Airlines, 2 points for every dollar spent on hotels and car rentals through Rapid Rewards, 2 points for local transportation and commuting, including ride-sharing services, and 1 point for every dollar spent on all other eligible purchases. You will receive 1,500 tier qualifying points for every $10,000 you spend on the card in a calendar year. Since there is no cap on the total number of TCPs you can accumulate, it is theoretically possible to spend your way up to Southwest Elite status without even boarding a plane. No spending limits apply and points are infinite. There are additional methods to earn points with this card as well, such as getting 6,000 point anniversary bonus annually, earning up to 100,000 points annually when you refer friends who register a card account, and adding free staff cards to maximize their spending to earn more points. You can easily amass a sizable number of points annually by combining the points you earn as a card holder with the points you can earn through the Southwest Rewards program. Southwest flights are the primary means of redeeming Rapid Rewards points. Southwest has a straightforward procedure for redemption. A flight's cost in points will increase in direct proportion to its cash price. As a result, you can be sure that you're receiving rewards with a fair amount of consistency, even when there isn't an outsized value available. It's as simple as making an online flight reservation using Southwest points. On the airline's website, when you choose the flight you want to book, select points rather than dollars. When that happens, you'll see your itinerary's award pricing. Additionally, the airline provides gift cards, merchandise, and unique experiences only available to card holders, along with domestic and international flights, hotels, and car rentals on its travel website. Southwest flight reservations are the best choice for maximizing the value of your points. The value of redemptions with other airlines is usually lower, and the lowest value of all redemptions is usually seen when using points to buy gift cards and other items. Given that the airline doesn't publish any rewards chart, Southwest makes it a little more difficult than some other carriers to calculate how far your points will get you, but making a few test reservations might give you at least a good estimate of the number of points needed to award seats to places you're interested in. 3 different fare categories are available: Business Select, Anytime, and Wanna Get Away. The most points are needed for Business Select fares, while the least points are needed for Wanna Get Away fares. The downside of Wanna Get Away flights is that they are non-refundable, even if they can reduce the number of points you need to redeem. In addition, you are not entitled to any of the benefits, like priority boarding and same-day changes that come with Business Select tickets. There are limitations on when and how you can use rewards for award travel with some business travel cards. By enabling you to redeem points for flights on Southwest or other international carriers with no blackout periods or restrictions, this card makes it as easy as possible to plan business trips. If you make purchases totaling $3,000 within the first 3 months of activating your credit card, or an average of $1,000 each month, you can earn 60,000 points. Those 60,000 points would be equivalent to about $900 in incentive travel, based on an estimate of 1.5 cents per Southwest point when applied to airfare with the airline. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 9 out of 10. The benefits are 10 out of 10. The annual fee is 5 out of 10, and customer service I would rate as 6 out of 10. Even for business travellers who only use Southwest a few times per year, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card may be a good fit. That is mostly because the card's nearly 6,000 point anniversary bonus, at least when applied to Southwest flights, is valuable enough to make up a sizable portion of the $99 annual charge. A small business owner may find it easier to justifiably acquire and maintain the card if they can see its continued worth. For a frequent flyer of Southwest Airlines, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card is also an excellent alternative, but for most people there are better business cards with greater value and flexibility. The Performance Business Card is better suited for frequent Southwest travellers who aspire to become A-list members or meet the requirements for the Companion Pass. If you don't want to pay the higher annual fee of a luxury travel card or even of its $199 sibling, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business, but still want to earn rewards on the infrequent Southwest flights you take, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card is a great option. The substantial one-time offer for the card could be enough points by itself to cover numerous flights. You should be able to make a compelling financial argument for carrying this card if you travel on Southwest, even sometimes, as the annual bonus can assist in offsetting the annual charge year after year. I suggest you think through every scenario before applying for this card or any other. This wraps up my review of the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Credit Card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.